Most agencies make a massive mistake. They build a beautiful website but hand over a Frankenstein WordPress admin area that scares the customers. But actually, the backend is where you win or lose your client's trust. I'm Andre, lead developer at UiCore, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can use the admin customizer to customize your WordPress admin area. When you open your dashboard and go to Team Option Admin Customizer, you are not just changing some colors. You are in fact taking over. Enable the Admin Customizer now. Once you do, you gain master level control over the Team Options panel. But that's not even the most interesting part. First, let's fix the identity of the panel itself. Now you're probably thinking, does the team name really matter? Actually, it means more than you think. If a client sees a generic team name, they feel they bought a template. When you swap the team name icon and logo for your agency branding, it feels like a custom-coded solution. Let's match the panel main color to your brand. Once you see a fully branded panel, the default WordPress look will start to feel unprofessional to you. The default WordPress dashboard is a distraction engine. It's full of events, news, or other widgets your client will never touch. Instead of leaving that mess, enable the custom team option dashboard. This is your chance to make a high-value first impression. Use this space for onboarding videos or branded links. I made a more detailed video on this topic, and you can find the link in the description. But for now, let's talk about the first thing they see, the login screen. The login screen is the front door of your project. If it has a WordPress logo, you already failed the branding test. With the admin customizer, you can instantly swap the logo and rewrite the entire color palette. It's not just a custom look. It turns out, this is the fastest way to signal to your client that they are in a secure, professional environment. This is the secret sauce of the system. Leaving advanced settings visible is a liability. It's how your clients accidentally break their site. So, go into the Team Features section. This is where you simplify WordPress by killing the features they don't need. Hide the demo import, disable reset option, and remove the system tabs. The reason this works so well is that you are removing the exit doors your clients can get lost and confused. You are not just cleaning the UI, you are securing the site. The admin customizer is part one of your agency's white label stack. When you combine this with our white label manager that allows you to create custom themes, you are not just a freelancer anymore. You are a software provider. I've linked our full series for agencies in the description. Watch the white label manager video next to finish up your transformation.